You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab 26, assigning a work item security scheme to space. Let's move ahead. For completing Lab 26, we need to log into home.atlassian. If you see, I am logged into home.atlassian. Now, let's click on Jira Service Management. And this time, we are going to click on settings, top right corner, and we are going to click on spaces. Under manage space, we are going to click on three dots which are for demo service space. Click on three dots and go to space setting. Click on space setting. In details, expand. If access is not expanded, expand access and click on work item security. Click on work item security. In work item security, top right corner, click on action and select a scheme. Click on action and click on select a scheme. Now, from drop down scheme, select demo work item security. Click on next and then click on associate. This will take some time. Click on acknowledge. Ensure that demo security level is available after associating it. This was lab number 26, where we have assigned a work item security scheme to space. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.